Grade 3, how are you? So I'm doing fine, still in my apartment, and I'm excited to have you see me and hear me, and today we're gonna do some English lessons together. I hope that they help. Today we're gonna talk about capitalization, okay? Because capitalizing is very important. It's part of the rules of writing, the checklist for writing. Every time you write, you should think about, am I capitalizing the first letter, right? Big case, lowercase, uppercase, lowercase, big letter, little letter, okay? So I'm going to show you the rules of writing just so you see that there are capitalizing is one of the most important things. Okay, so here I have the Fab 5 for writing. So this is a list, okay, for you guys to do. Now, when it says number 1 right here, stretch out your words, okay, that's number 1. Okay, that means that you spell the words, that you try to remember how to spell for yourself, right? Number 1 rule. So if you have to spell the word cat, then you're gonna go k-at and think about each letter and write them, right? That's the little picture right here, k-at. That means that you stretch out your words. Number 1, stretch out your words. Think, how do I spell this word? And then you think each letter, at. If you have to spell Miss Liz, M, S, L, I, Z, Liz, Z. Spell for yourself, okay? And number 2, the most important rule, number 2, use capital letters at the beginning of your sentences and for proper nouns. So if you have a sentence, my name is Sam, okay? I have a student named Sam. Hi, Sam. It's an easy name, so they use it a lot as an example in worksheets. So my name is Sam. So you're gonna make sure to capitalize my, because it's the first it's the first word in the sentence, okay? The other thing is you're going to use finger space. So in between the words, my name is Sam, make sure there's a little space. You see the space? We always want to have a space, okay? We don't want to write it like this. We don't want to write our sentences so that they're squished. No squishing, okay? So use finger space is number 3. Now, number 4 is, and we'll talk about this tomorrow a little bit, use punctuation marks at the end of your sentences. So at the end of my name is Sam, we have punctuation, that period, right? We want to always have punctuation to end our sentence so the reader, me, or your teacher knows this sentence is over. Stop. Stop sentence. My name is Sam. Stop. Okay? And number 5 is check your work. Does your writing make sense? Can you read what you wrote? Does it sound like a good sentence? Okay, so we will talk about these rules of writing later, more of them. Right now we will talk about capitalization, right? The rules of capitalization, okay? And I will go over this. I just want to show you, this is like a whole list Okay, I will read this list, and then I have an easy way to remember the big ones. Easy, easy, easy. Okay, so we use a capital letter, that means uppercase, for the first word of every sentence, right? So when we have my name is Sam, we use it for the word my. M is capitalized. Number 2, the word I. When I am using the pronoun I, always capitalize. Every time. Always. Okay? Promise me. We also capitalize the names of people. So when we have my name is Sam, we always capitalize Sam. We always capitalize Liz, right? Or Kelsey or Joe. Okay, number 4, the names of streets, cities, states, and countries. These are proper nouns, right? So we capitalize streets, cities, states, countries. China, capitalize. USA, capitalize. Philippines, capitalize. Okay? We also capitalize the names of places. McDonald's, Starbucks, the Yellow River, the Great Wall of China. Capitalize the names of places. Special places, right? Number 6, we also capitalize the names of days, months, and holidays. If you remember, we always capitalize this because it's a special proper noun, right? There's the month of January is a proper noun because it's a special name for a month, the name for a day. We capitalize that. And holidays, we also capitalize because it's a name for a holiday, like Chinese New Year, International New Year, Christmas Day. We capitalize the word Christmas. Halloween, we capitalize the word Halloween. Okay, we also capitalize a person's initials. Let me show you. My whole name is Liz Jacquino, right? So my initials, LJ, are capitalized, okay? And we also capitalize the greeting and closing of a letter. So if you remember, a greeting is like, dear so-and-so, right? Dear Mr. Joe. And we also capitalize the N, like when we say sincerely. We capitalize that S, okay? All right, so here's an easy way to remember that. My apologies, sorry. So we capitalize with mints. Okay, do you know a mint? It's a kind of candy, right? It's a kind of candy. Now, oh, hold on 1 second. I have a mint right here. See? It says mint. It says I mint, but that's a kind of mint. Okay? So, we capitalize with mints. Okay? So, months, days, holidays. So months, we start with M. So, months, days, holidays, right? Month, start with month. I is for the pronoun I. N is for names of people and places. T is for titles of books and movies. So if you guys remember, many of you have seen this movie. What movie is that? Frozen. Well, we capitalize the title of the movie, and the movie is Frozen, so the F is capitalized. Books. Let's think of a book. Ooh, I'll find you a book. Remember this book? If I Ran the Rainforest. Notice that they capitalized if I ran and then rainforest. But we don't capitalize the word the in a title unless it's the first word. I know it's hard to understand. I just want to give you the rules, okay? So, titles of books. If I ran the rainforest. Okay? Movies, Frozen. And we also capitalize the start of sentences. Now here is an example, okay? We use all the rules, okay? So at Easter, Easter is a holiday. At is the start of a sentence. I, the pronoun, am going to Brisbane. Now, Brisbane is the name of a country, a place. To see Disney on Ice. That's a title, okay? It's a title of a play. Disney on Ice with Kelly. That's the name of people. Okay? So capitalizing is very, very important. Okay? We will do in our next video some examples of capitalizing. I can send this to you. I will send you at least this one. Okay? So you know the rules of capitalizing. Okay? Capitalize with mints. And sometimes capitalize is spelled with an S and sometimes with a Z. Okay? Sometimes the British and the Australians, they write capitalize with an S, but the Americans write capitalize with a Z. Okay? Capitalize. It means to make a letter uppercase, capitalize. So don't forget the rules of capitalization, and I will talk to you in the next video.